We're back at the sawmill. Gonna grab some more wood. We're getting low, so we'll get another truckload. We brought Blue with us. He's out exploring. There's nobody here. The sawmill man, he just tells us come on in. So we come over, start working.
We don't pay for the scorpions, so I try to shake them off.
We want to leave the scorpions here.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it's full of rattlesnakes way down yonder.
There might be.
Well, maybe they're too sleepy now.
That's why we don't bring Belle over here, because she might try to go under there after something.
Yeah.
We don't want her to get bit.
She might find one. We put this up by the window so it don't break the glass, so the boards won't hit it. And then we'll put another one up higher when we get it taller, because the boards will kind of slide and hit the glass. We're getting it down low. We're after some of that bigger stuff for overnight fire. We're getting down to it.
Well, in the wintertime, he lives up in the mountains, actually.
The sawmill man.
The guy that owns the sawmill. I just talked to him last week. Maybe he'll start coming down there when it gets pretty frigid up there, and a lot of snow. It's probably about time for it to really start snowing in January. But maybe he'll come down here and cut up some lumber.
Yeah, I hope so. We're getting low here.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Yeah, that'll work. Now the rest of it we can butt up against that board. Getting it all tied down so we can take off. We gotta go through that dry creek bed, that creek, and you kind of go up so you don't want nothing sliding out. Oh, we're home and Sonny is so excited. Yeah, you can't wait, huh? Yeah. So Bill, he finds some good wood and he puts it on our wood pile in case we could use it. This is, probably around 4. We just, or 4:30, we just got through feeding the chickens. And you can see how low the wood pile has gotten. So we needed the wood real bad. And now he's got some he can start working on again. So Bill made this stand because his back gets sore building, bending over, cutting the wood. So he built this to see if that would make his back better. And he just used old scrap wood for it, what we got. Anyway, I'm walking and he's going to unload it, and he's going to get warmed up a second time with the wood. We got warmed up this morning with it. In fact, we had to take our coats off because we got too hot. So I'm going to do some driveway walking. I think some bad weather might come in, so Bill wants to get it all out of the truck before it does, and he'll probably start sawing some up tomorrow morning. What are y'all doing, huh? You playing in the hay? Is it fun? Yeah. I don't know if there's any bugs out here for him or not. Anyway, Bill's been working on the stack, and he's still got some to cut over that way. And we're glad to get this wood, getting it stacked back up. So thanks for watching from Out West Homestead. Bye.